features I use. One thing is name hardening. Name hardening is like, you have something like making it permanent. You give a name to a entity and that cannot be changed later. Domains for data types. We already discussed this. Domains means like the custom data types. Naming standards is like abbreviation. Something like you are giving a table or a column name. Column name something like identifier, and it shortens itself as ID. Something like customer identifier, you give a name, and it shortens itself like customer ID. It's automatically done. This is called as naming standards. For forward engineering and reverse engineering, this is another option. Forward engineering means you forward engineering means you create the tables manually one by one. You create the and diagram entity relationship diagram. You create each entity and make relationships. This is called as forward engineering. And later you create the SQL, generate the SQL scripts and create them using the SQL scripts, running them in the database. You create the tables in the database. Reverse engineering means you write a SQL code yourself, and in the Erwin, you select actions, reverse engineering, and then select the SQL file. The tables are created automatically. The diagram is created automatically, data modeling diagram. Merging, you can merge two data models, you can compare two data models, and subtype and supertype. These are the different kinds of features that you use regularly in Erwin. Next is steps for forward engineering are like actions, schema, generate the scripts, or yeah, forward engineering. Reverse engineering actions, reverse engineer, and logical or physical. Then database script select the database script file, and then you can connect and data the data model diagram is created. Then I have given some short forms here. I will not use short forms. Okay, these are some Erwin features. Name hardening, as I told you, that prevents the physical model from changing its name in the future. So that I don't, I by mistake don't change it. If I change for one entity, that changes for the other entity also. So these are some Erwin questions. In the next video, we'll come discuss more questions. So sorry, I have questions. Something happened. Next is Erwin bought subject areas. Subject area editor. Subject area is the place where you can create a data model. Like subject area is another another workspace area where you create a entire diagram and you can save it. And later you copy all the entities and paste them in the central repository. Complete compare. These are some you can note down these steps. Thank you.